Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Kingston is a community located in Kings County, Nova Scotia, in the western portion of the Annapolis Valley. With a population of approximately 1,300 residents, Kingston serves as an important local service center for surrounding communities. Its location between Aylesford and Greenwood along Highway 1 places it at the heart of a region known for agriculture, military history, and scenic landscapes. The history of the area begins with the Micmac people, who lived throughout the Annapolis Valley for thousands of years before European settlement. The valleys, rivers, forests, and fertile lands provided resources for hunting, fishing, and transportation. These natural advantages helped make the Annapolis Valley one of the most important settlement areas in Atlantic Canada. European settlement expanded throughout the valley during the 18th century. Acadian settlers established farms and reclaimed fertile marshlands using dike systems. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in 1755, New England planters settled throughout the region and continued the development of agriculture, which remains a major part of the local economy today. Kingston developed as a small agricultural and service community serving nearby farms and rural settlements. During the 19th century, improvements in transportation helped connect the area to larger markets. The arrival of rail service throughout the Annapolis Valley encouraged trade and supported the continued growth of local communities. One of the most significant influences on modern Kingston has been its proximity to Canadian Forces Base Greenwood. Established during the Second World War in 1942, Greenwood became one of Canada's largest military air bases. The presence of the base has had a major impact on the local economy, bringing employment opportunities and attracting military families to the region for generations. Today, many residents of Kingston work at the nearby base or in related industries. The military connection has helped support local businesses, schools, and community organizations. It has also contributed to the area's diverse population, with families arriving from many parts of Canada. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the area as well. The surrounding countryside is known for apple orchards, berry farms, vineyards, and vegetable production. The fertile soils and moderate climate of the Annapolis Valley make it one of the most productive agricultural regions in Atlantic Canada. Kingston benefits from its location near larger communities such as Greenwood, Berwick, Kentville, and New Minas. Residents have convenient access to healthcare, shopping, education, and other services while still enjoying the advantages of living in a smaller community. This balance has made Kingston an attractive place for families and retirees alike. Housing in Kingston remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. The area offers a mix of detached homes, newer subdivisions, and rural properties. Average home prices generally range between $350,000 and $550,000, depending on size, condition, and location. Military demand has helped keep the housing market active in recent years. Today, Kingston continues to serve as an important community within Kings County and the Annapolis Valley. Its combination of agricultural heritage, military influence, growing residential neighborhoods, and convenient location has helped shape its identity. With strong community connections and access to the natural beauty of the valley, Kingston remains a significant part of Western Nova Scotia. Thanks for watching!